Well, I got a little one, but it's got little bitty wheels. That's not going to help us. Trying to see where I gotta, because I know it's not going to fit.
Matty Matt.
How big my sling is.
Pull, pull.
Need a beer. Oh, geez, no, what's that? That's because you're hot, man.
Go! Come on, drive. Stop.
I just had a goal for you. Right there.
You okay?
With big old wheels.
Need help?
For you.
Let me know when.
Stay away from the car. And stop.
I thought I steered it the right way. I went the wrong way.
Dalton, go get my block.
What?
Wheel off. Instead of me holding the whole rear end off the ground. Just gotta move when I say.
Hey, move, go, go.
Holding up about 300 pounds.
Yeah, try to
It's
move
like-
with it, yeah. Football players don't even train that drastically.
Come on, bring it.
You should play football, dude.
No, they didn't like it. They wanted to play two-hand tag.
Look at this, everybody. Woo. Tractor, we got it today from scrapping, and it's for Matt over here.
It's louder than mine.
He needed a riding mower.
Warehouse. It's out of the warehouse.
We couldn't figure out what's wrong with it, so we're gonna
Putting in a whole new bathroom.
see what's going on. He will let us know. Hold on. Pretty decent one. And it's TLC, but you know what? I'm sure you'll get this tractor running. That guy right there, my brother, Matt, in the house. See you later. Bye.
I can't do it again.
Definitely not doing that.
I can't do it again right now.
Yeah, that takes a while.
Well, today we ended up getting a tractor from a young gentleman. Well,
Doesn't need
I
gas?
cannot do it.
don't stop!
Put in second gear. Put your deck down when you get from Back up.
Dalton, back up, honey.
One more.
Nat finally got a new toy. He's all excited. No more walking. Woohoo!
Stay there. slow.
And there he goes. Bye, man. See ya. Oh, here he comes back.
Tire.
Bye.
You're gonna burn it if you keep cutting that low.
Bye. See ya.
That sucker took off in 6th gear. He was.
And he gives Dalton a ride. Dalton!
That way.
Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh no.
That thing will move. Dalton, stay away.
He's chasing him. Matt's letting
Yeah,
him.
but if he gets too close, it gets caught under that fucking blade. Matt, shut it off. Hey, you got off the seat. Get on. Get on. Shut it down. Shut it down. Let it stop.
Let me fix that bitch in 20 minutes.
Start it up. Hold it. Right, but that's what I wanted to find out, if it would start right back up.
Wow.
4 rims, 5 radiators. And the old one.
We got this from a guy today.
4 rims, 5 radiators, and the old one.
Said he couldn't get it to run. Guess what? Gene and Matthew got it running. There you go. Free. All for Matt. He's all excited now because he gets those.
Man.
Whoa! When it first took off, I thought you were going to do a wheelie.
I thought I was still. I was going to get kicked off that thing.
You're like a horse trying to kick you up. Go,
It
yeah!
jumped and you about went over that seat.
Dude, that mower right there, you cannot put in reverse and engage the blades. You
Look.
take things that
No,
when the
I
belts
can't
are
actually
loose all the
reach.
time. You take it
I
when the belt
can't
flies
actually
out,
drive.
you gotta shut the mower down.
I
Get it back
really
and forth,
like
put the
drive.
belt. It's a
I
pain,
don't like
man. And
I'm like, how do I back
Not
up?
now.
I can't believe that, dude.
How do
You're
I?
not allowed
Change the
on
blades
until you're old
since
enough.
I was looking
So we
at
can
that.
teach you
It's
lightly.
pretty
I
good. It's
don't
not
know
bad.
how to.
But dude, like I said,
back
from air
up.
filter, fuel filter, battery
I
seems to
don't
be
know.
good.
That will
Charge.
be
Brand new.
Brand, yeah.
He hasn't run it. He put a new
awesome
battery.
for Matt.
That's 2023. They're good for 3 to 5
Now he doesn't have to push it,
worked on.
push it real good. He got this now. He can ride it. Because all the ladies thinks his tractor is sexy. You know what I mean? So there you
that
go.
was the
This
problem.
wraps it up for now. See you in the next one.
Fucking can't-
Bye.
That's why we gotta get it started. It's like that porch fucker I drove with that clutch, man. It fucked me up, man. Stuck my fucking hand in my mouth. Whack! I'm like, oh, fuck.
It's making his day. Making Dalton.
That's fucking incredible. You don't find a mower that runs. And you have to do very little to get it started. Other than jump the battery and hope for the best.
I might just put all these together. Woo!